ल यो सन्त थोमा हुनुहुन्छ उहाँ चाहिँ अनि उहाँ चाहिँ 54 एडीमा केरला आउनुभएको हो। यो चाहिँ केरलन भाषामा लेखिएको छ। त्यस कारणले उहाँ चाहिँ हाम्रो सन्त थोमाको आइकन हुनुहुन्छ।
Most of the Palestinian people came for the trade purpose. Among the
he came with that people with their ships.
Oh.
His mission is to propagate the gospel. They are merchants. It is a seaport, 88 or 10 kilometers are away from the Arabian Sea directly. 1 minute, or minute.
All लेख्दा आइसकेको रहेछ।
Anybody is there for a translation?
Yeah, he is. अरु सबै बस्नु त। Please sit down.
Please come to the front. Please. My friend, he will be translating. I will be speaking in English or Hindi also if I can do it. But then he will be translating in your own language. Okay. First of all, I'm going to speak because we are going to have a prayer at 5:30. Because you are coming, so we are extending up to 10-15 minutes. Okay?
प्रार्थनाको समय भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि म छिटो जान्छु किनभने 5:30 को प्रार्थना छ। तपाईँ ताराबाट आउनु भएको कारणले 3-4 कुरा बताउनु गइरहेछ।
First of all, welcome all of you for an ancient church in the world.
संसारको प्राचीन चर्चमा तपाईँ सबैजनालाई स्वागत छ।
This church was built in AD 54 by the disciple of Jesus Christ, Saint Thomas.
सेन्ट थोमसद्वारा चाहिँ 1954 एडीमा चाहिँ यो चर्च चाहिँ स्थापना गरेको हो।
This is the fourth church.
यो चाहिँ 4औं तहमा स्थापित गरेको चर्च।
The three churches before this one, it was on my right side, but now that is demolished.
यो चाहिँ 4औं पटकको चर्च यो हो। 4औं पटकमा सबैभन्दा पहिले चाहिँ दाहिने साइडमा थियो, त्यो चाहिँ पुरानो भएर
Just before this church, the third church was built in 1259 AD 1259.
अनि 1259 मा चाहिँ तेस्रो चाहिँ चर्च चाहिँ बनाएको थियो।
This church was built 112 years before.
यो चाहिँ 112 वर्ष पछाडि बनाएको चर्च चाहिँ पहिला बनाएकै हो।
You can see on my left side and on my right side 5 arches each. On my left side 5 arches, on the right side also 5 arches.
यो यहाँ चाहिँ दायाँ र बायाँ चाहिँ 5-5 वटा जुन वालहरू छ।
There is no cement or steel for curving these arches. There is no steel.
त्यहाँ चाहिँ फलामहरू चाहिँ छैन।
What it is done is, it is a very strong stone, geometrically cut like this way. One is on the level and the other one is inclined like this way, like this way, like this way. This arches was made.
यो चाहिँ आर्किटेक्चरले जुन प्रकार बनाएको छ त्यो प्रकारको भन्दा पनि भित्र फलाम नराखिकन पिलर नबनाइकन एकदम राम्रो ढङ्गमा चाहिँ फलामलाई चाहिँ काटेर चाहिँ निर्माण गरेका यो पिलरहरू हो।
This is an architectural wonder.
यो चाहिँ आर्किटेक्चरले चाहिँ उहाँहरूले नि गरेको हो।
Many students who studying architecture coming here to study how this is made.
प्रायः जस्तो चाहिँ आर्किटेक्चर उनीहरू जुन छ यो कसरी बनायो भन्ने कुरा प्रश्न चाहिँ बारम्बार उहाँले गरिरहन्छ।
Because this is a wonder. There is no steel, no cement.
यो चाहिँ भन्छौँ प्रकारको छ किनकि त्यहाँ फलाम छैन, पिलर छैन र पनि मजबुत प्रकारले बनेको देखिएको छ।
Instead of the cement, what we used is, our forefathers used is fish, glue of the fish glue of the fish, molasses, that is sugar, and silver carbon silicates. 3 items, they mix together and done in this.
यो चाहिँ सिमेन्ट बिना नै यस्तो प्रकार मजबुत कसरी बनाए त भन्ने क्रममा हाम्रो सुरुका फादरहरूले चाहिँ माछाको चाहिँ सिल्कन जस्तो भएको र त्यो माटो जस्तो मुछिएर चाहिँ यो प्रकारको बनाए.
This sukha. But this is still, it is a wonder how 112 years before this has been made, and still now there is no crack or nothing.
112 वर्ष पुरानो भेटियो र पनि यहाँनिर चर्केको मर्केको केही देखेको छैन. एकदम राम्रो र अचम्म प्रकारको बनेको छ.
This church has 5 altars. 5 altars.
यहाँ चाहिँ 5
The middle one is in the name of Saint Mary.
यो चाहिँ बीचको चाहिँ सन्त मेरीको नाममा चाहिँ यो अल्टर राखेको छ.
On the right side, it is in the name of Saint George.
यो चाहिँ पछाडि दाहिनेपट्टि जुन छ सन्त चाहिँ युनाको
Saint George. On my left side, it is in the name of Saint Behanan. Saint Behanan. Saint.
यो चाहिँ सन्त बहेना.
And this small 2-1, actually this has altars, but this is a tomb. 2 forefathers has been Marthoman 2 and Marthoman 5 buried here, laying here. These 2 tombs.
यो चाहिँ यो दुईटा चिहान छ जो चाहिँ माथामा 4 छ र 3 चाहिँ यहाँनिर गाडेको.
This is it. So one is an altar also on there. And there is a lamp here. It is a very special lamp. In every Christian churches, there are lamps are there. But
अगाडिपट्टि जुन चाहिँ बत्ती छ त्यो चाहिँ हरेक क्रिस्चियनहरुकोलाई चाहिँ एउटा प्रतीक रूपमा चाहिँ राखिन्छ.
But this has got a speciality.
यसको पनि एउटा विशेषता छ.
In the middle, there is a cross symbolizes Jesus Christ.
यो बीचमा एउटा क्रुस छ जसले चाहिँ येशू ख्रीष्टको प्रतिनिधित्व गरेको छ.
Around that one, in the Bible, Revelation 4, chapter 4, verses 4 says 24 elders. So, symbolizing there are lamps are there.
यहाँ चारैतिर चाहिँ जुन प्रकारको क्रसहरु सानसानो छ त्यो चाहिँ प्रकाश 4 अध्यायको 4 पदले बताए जस्तै 24 वटा चाहिँ 24 जना सन्तहरुको प्रतिनिधिको रूपमा राखेको छ.
Around that one again, David symbolizes 12 disciples. 12 lamps can be lit.
त्यसको बाहिरपट्टिमा 12 वटा पत्ती छ. 12 वटा पत्तीले 12 जना चाहिँ सन्तहरुको प्रतिनिधिको रूपमा राखेको छ.
So that means in the middle Jesus Christ, then elders and then the disciples.
अनि यसले अर्थ के हो त बीच भित्र भाग चाहिँ येशू ख्रीष्ट अनि त्यसको छेउमा चाहिँ सन्तहरु अनि त्यसको पछाडी चाहिँ चेलाहरु.
And there is one more thing from the inside because there is time. So this is called a Niranam cross.
यो चाहिँ निरनम
Cross.
भन्छ यसलाई चाहिँ.
From where we got this one?
यो कहाँबाट पायो भने
See, this one is normally cross is like this.
साधारणतौरमा चाहिँ
But this cross is like this.
यो क्रसको नमुना हेर्नुभयो
It is because this is carved in the baptism ponds. We have got a very big baptism pond came here or moved to here from the old church, which is built in 1259.
1259 1259 मा बनाएको चाहिँ यो सबै चर्चको पुरुषमा चाहिँ सिधा हुन्छ. तर यो बाङ्गो हुनुको कारण चाहिँ त्यहाँनिर एउटा चाहिँ बत्तिस दिने चाहिँ पोखरीको ढाँचामा जुन यस्तो प्रकारको छ त्यसमा चाहिँ सुरुवात गरेको कारणले गर्दाखेरि यो पुरुष चाहिँ यस्तो प्रकार बाङ्गो भएको.
What it symbolizes is by baptizing you are joining with the heaven and to the earth.
अनि यो बत्तिसको चिन्हको अर्थमा छ. यसको मतलब चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ स्वर्ग र पृथ्वीमा चाहिँ जोडेको संकेत गर्छ यो.
It is like that way. So this has been carved in the baptism pond here. Since there is no time, I have not.
Okay.
I cannot show
It's
you.
okay.
But this is slightly bigger ponds which has been moved from the old church to here. But how old it is, nobody knows it. It is carved from one stone. That is one of the specialities. It is one stone only. And around that one, this is carved.
Okay.
Now,
Thank you.
थ्याङ्क यू. यो कुनामा चाहिँ एउटा ढुङ्गामा एउटै ढुङ्गाबाट चाहिँ बप्टिस्टको निम्ति के आकरण बनाएको छ अरे. अब यो कति
Thank you.
वर्ष पुरानो भन्ने कुरा पनि छैन.
1200
वर्ष पुरानो 1200 वर्षभन्दा अगाडिको.
Now we can move to the small.
पाउँछ
यही त हामीले
यता हेर.
यो बुढामा लिनु भन्यो त्यो लिनुभयो
यसको पनि मिनिङ छ है। यो मिनिङ चाहिँ म तपाईँहरूलाई बताउने छु। यो प्रकाश 4 अध्यायको पुरैमा यो मलाई ओके ओके यसले बताउँछ अरे नि त अब यहाँ।
So this one is a St. Thomas relics.
Oh,
Not from the Busan.
this one.
This one inside relics, that is some sort of parts of St. Thomas kept it here.
Oh.
We brought from Iraq.
Yeah.
Iraq, it is here.
यहाँ कोही पनि छैन।
यहाँ आउनु न।
छिटो आउनु।
ए फादर
हाम्रो मान्छेहरू कहाँ गयो?
St. Thomas relics, it is called.
यो चाहिँ सेन्ट थोमसको चाहिँ हड्डीहरू यहाँभित्र छ अरे, जहाँ चाहिँ मिश्रबाट ल्याएर।
इराकबाट।
You can go inside and you can round it and come back.
ओके। यो भित्र चाहिँ हाम्रो सेन्ट थोमसको हड्डीहरू चाहिँ यो के भन्छ अवशेष भन्छ हैन, अवशेषहरू ल्याएर चाहिँ यहाँ राखिएको छ र त्यो चाहिँ यहाँ भित्र छ र यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले परिक्रमा गरिरहेका छौँ। थ्याङ्क यू लर्ड जिजस। एकदम ऐतिहासिक ठाउँमा।
Here St. Mary was appeared one time.
एक समय चाहिँ यहाँ सेन्ट मेरी चाहिँ देखा परेको ठाउँ यहाँ।
Why St. Mary appeared?
किन सेन्ट मेरी देखा पर्यो भने
Because we have got a cross, golden cross.
यहाँ हामीले सुनको क्रस भेटायो।
It is 7.2 kilo weight.
7 किलो point 7 किलो 200 ग्रामको चाहिँ सुनको क्रस भेट्यो।
It's a huge one.
Yeah.
But some thieves came here and they took it.
अनि चोरहरू आएर चाहिँ त्यो लिएर गयो।
So when they catch it, we caught the thieves and they produced it in the court.
अनि त्यो चोरलाई पक्रियो, त्यसलाई चाहिँ यसले कोर्टमा पठाइदियो।
And the judge asked him, how you have ended this one? Because this is kept in 7 locks.
अनि चाहिँ त्यो चोरलाई प्रश्न गर्यो, तिमी चाहिँ 7वटा चाबी भएको भित्र चाहिँ तिमी कसरी पस्यो त?
And they told, we have no problem in opening the locks, but
अनि हामी चाहिँ त्यो भित्र जानको निम्ति समस्या थिएन।
But when we opened the last one, we saw one lady with a dress from the top to the bottom with a small baby in her hands.
Yeah.
6वटा चाबी खोल्न के समस्या भएन। जब 7औं चाबी खोल्दा के त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ सेतो लुगा लगाएको हातमा चाहिँ यहाँनिर एउटा बच्चा भएको चाहिँ एउटा दिदीबहिनी स्त्री चाहिँ देखियो।
So the thieves don't know whether this is St. Mary or somebody else.
तर चोरलाई पटक्कै थाहा भएन कि यो चाहिँ सेन्ट मेरी हो कि होइन भन्ने कुरा।
But they told St. Mary, it is here, we believe. And what you have done it is, they have removed their dress, completely naked it, and then this statue was moved away.
अनि उनीहरूले चाहिँ सबै लुगाहरू चाहिँ खोलियो, त्यसमा जुन प्रकारको चित्र छ जो आइकन छ त्यो सबै कुरा चाहिँ हराएर गयो।
Even now, the thieves take the same technology. Suppose if there is some sound or etc. when we go out, what they have to do is they will remove our dresses and then the ladies and the etc. will go inside and then they will be doing. Same thing that 112 years before they have done it.
112 वर्ष अगाडि जुन प्रकार घटना घटेको थियो त्यस्तै प्रकारले अहिले पनि कुनै पनि चोर जाँदाखेरि लुगा खोलेर उनीहरू भित्र जानको
This was a newspaper published in 116. That means 106 years before. 106 years before.
160 वर्ष अगाडि यो पत्रिकामा छापेका हुन्।
It is written in our language, and it is very clearly written that there is a lady with a dress from the top to the bottom with a small baby in her hands. That is, it is written very here, and we took from the architecture.
अनि यो चाहिँ मलयालम भाषामा लेखेको कारणले गर्दाखेरि यहाँनिर स्पष्ट लेखेको थियो कि एउटा स्त्री जो चाहिँ शिरदेखि यहाँ शरीरदेखि तलसम्म चाहिँ लुगा लगाएको उहाँको हातमा चाहिँ एउटा बच्चा भएको कुरा चाहिँ यहाँ स्पष्ट लेखेको थियो।
This newspaper is 1916.
यो 1916 मा चाहिँ
1916. 108 years before newspaper this is.
100 वर्षभन्दा अगाडिको समयको कुरा यहाँ पत्रिकामा छापेको कुरा यहाँ राखेको।
For latecomers, this is the relics of St. Thomas.
Yeah.
अब जो चाहिँ पछाडि आउनु भयो यहाँ सेन्ट थोमसको चाहिँ शरीरको
हड्डीहरू छ त्यहाँ परिक्रमा गर्नु जानु वरिपरि घुम्नु घुमेर जानु हामी Yes.
Be careful of your head because the beam is very low.
यहाँ अग्लोहरू निहुरेर आउनुहोस्.
These are the things. You can see the palm leaves here.
Yeah.
It is written in 4 languages.
यो चाहिँ चारवटा भाषामा लेखिएको पाम पत्रहरू.
Palm patra. This one, old one, kept here in the church, writing the accounts and the bishop's orders and everything is here.
यहाँ चाहिँ 4 प्रकारको भाषामा लेखे तापनि यहाँनिर विश्वले कसरी अर्डिनेन गर्ने, कसरी अभिषेक गर्ने विषयमा चाहिँ यहाँ सबै कुरा यहाँ छ.
This one is by leaves, the juice of leaves and flowers.
अनि यहाँ
Drawing is done by juice of leaves and flowers. This colored one.
यहाँ चाहिँ यो युदीहरूले यो फुलहरूद्वारा बनाएका यो चित्र कलर हुनु.
Color. And we have done nothing because we have called so many specialists. They told us don't do anything.
अनि हामीले चाहिँ केही गर्न मिलेनन् किनभने उहाँले जे गरेको छ त्यसलाई नै यथावत रूपमा राखेको.
Here you can see one statue of Saint Mary and Jesus Christ.
यहाँ चाहिँ येशू ख्रिस्ट र अनि त्यसको मेरीको चाहिँ यो स्ट्याच्यु आइकन छ.
Normally Orthodox churches like this has no statues.
खास रूपमा चाहिँ त्यो स्ट्याच्युलाई मूर्ति खास रूपमा चाहिँ अर्थोडक्स चर्चले राखिँदैन.
But here there is one from Portuguese people. They came 1,600 here. 1,600 AD.
1600 एडीमा चाहिँ
800 years before.
1016 मा चाहिँ एउटा पोर्चुगलहरू यहाँ आयो.
They brought one statue of mother and the child and gifted to the church.
अनि यी मान्छेहरू आएर चाहिँ अनि यहाँनिर मरियम र येशू ख्रिस्टलाई चाहिँ उपहारको रूपमा चाहिँ यहाँनिर चर्चलाई चाहिँ उपहारको रूपमा ल्याएर दियो.
And this was being kept very safely inside and taking only one time in the year.
यो चाहिँ यसको छाया कपी मात्रै हो तर यसको ओरिजिनल चाहिँ भित्र चाहिँ सुरक्षा राखेको छ र वर्षमा एकचोटि चाहिँ बाहिर निकाल्ने काम गरिन्छ.
That is on September 5th.
यहाँ सेप्टेम्बर चाहिँ 15 मा मात्र निकाल्छ त्यो भित्र भएको.
3 days we keep
3 days
outside.
यहाँ 3 दिन चाहिँ बाहिर राखिन्छ.
This one is from Ethiopia.
यो चाहिँ लठीको इथियोपियाको विषयमा.
You know what this was? There the sermon is very long. Not 1 hour, 2 hours. Sometimes it goes 4 to 5 years.
त्यतिबेला वचन चाहिँ निकै लामो हुन्छ.
So they are maybe tired, so they kept it like this.
त्यतिबेला वचन बल्ल थाकेको बेलामा चाहिँ यसरी चाहिँ राखेर बसिन्थे.
This one is from Ethiopia. One bishop came here and they gifted to the church.
इथियोपिया देशबाट एउटा बिशप आउनु भयो उहाँले एउटा मण्डलीलाई उपहारको स्वरूप यो लट्ठी दिएको.
Okay, please come with me inside and be very careful. This is very low beam. Be careful of your head.
Okay.
This was the bed of one saint.
यो खाट चाहिँ एकजना सन्तको.
100 years before, there was one saint was here. He was staying in this room and this is his bed.
अनि 100 वर्षभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ एउटा सन्त आउनु भयो यहाँ चाहिँ सुत्ने चाहिँ यो खाट हो.
At that time, bishops was staying like these small rooms.
अनि त्यतिबेला चाहिँ बिशपहरू यो सानसानो बेडहरुमा विश्राम गर्छन्.
Again, be careful. Follow me on the beam.
फेरि यसमा निहुरेर आइदिनु होला.
There are all these things has been very very old items. Actually, this is from the Egypt.
यो सामानहरु जहाँ छ यो मिस्रबाट ल्याएका हुन्. यो पुरानो सामानहरु.
If you are going somewhere in the Egypt or the Jordan or Syria, you will see still you can see this kind of water jug.
यो पानी खाने चाहिँ जग जुन छ यो यर्दनमा अहिले पनि जान भेटे हुन्छ तर एकदम प्राचीन र पुरानो प्रकारको यो भाँडो हो.
This is a lamp. Actually, this is a lamp. Old type.
यो बत्ती हो.
Old type of lamp.
पुरानो साइजको चाहिँ बत्ती हो.
All are very jars keeping oils here.
यहाँ चाहिँ सबै राख्ने चाहिँ यसमा तेलहरु राख्ने भाँडाहरु हुने यिनीहरु.
This was from China.
यो is from China. यो चाहिँ चाइनाबाट ल्याएको हो.
Okay. Here you will be seeing some relics of or some old portions of old church. That is a third church. So balance of third church is here, kept here.
यहाँ चाहिँ तेस्रो बनाउँदाखेरि तेस्रो पटक बनाउँदाखेरिको सामानहरू चाहिँ यहाँ राखेका हुन् जुन यो
These
काठहरू
are
छन्
all like the remains of a third church.
तेस्रो चर्चको चाहिँ बाँकी भएको सामानहरू यहाँ सजिएर राखेका छन्
You can see one specialty here. See, this is the angels here. These angels, normally we see angels with the chubby cheeks, white, but these are all Indian faces.
यो चाहिँ तपाईँलाई अचम्म मान्नुपर्छ होला यहाँ किनभने यो अरू चाहिँ ठाउँमा चाहिँ भन्दा यो यहाँ जाने स्वर्गदूत छ त्यो स्वर्गदूतको चाहिँ अनि यो अरू ठाउँमा चहकिलो अनुहार छ भने यो भित्रभित्र छ जसको अनुहारले इन्डियामा बसेका मानिसको अनुहारसित मिलाएका छन्
See, this is one bigger one also.
यहाँ चाहिँ अलि ठुलो साइजको पनि छ
These are all from the old church. We
यसले
took it from the old
प्राचीन
church.
कुरालाई चाहिँ सङ्केत गर्छ
You can see the carvings here, very like the temple carvings here.
यो चाहिँ त्यो मन्दिर जस्तै यस्तो प्रकार गोल प्रकारको अर्धचन्द्रकार छ
Again, we will be going downside. I'll tell you one more thing. You can go there inside, but don't stand.
यहाँ
The beams are very low. Beams are very low, so you will be heated on your forehead.
यहाँ भित्र आउँदाखेरि सिद्ध नउभिनुहोस् किनकि त्यहाँ दलिन चाहिँ एकदम छोटो अवस्थामा राखेको छ ठोक्ने सम्भावना धेरै छ
Okay, go sir. It is written there. So many old things are there.
यहाँ चाहिँ सबै प्राचीन प्रतिलिपिहरू यहाँनिर राखेको छ
Don't stand and move.
थियो उहाँका लेखहरू पढ्ने पुस्तकहरू त्यस पछाडि कहाँ के गर्यो भन्ने विषयमा चाहिँ केही झलकहरू यहाँ राखेको
यो बारेमा बुझ्नु यो बारेमा यो थोमा लेखेको पवित्र बाइबलहरू भनेको के हो यो चाहिँ बुझ्नुपर्छ के छ नि सोधौँ न यहाँ
थर्ड चर्च
यो 1259 मा तेस्रो पटकको भवनको चाहिँ अविशेष छ र यहाँ राखेको छ
So you can see the carvings are
very nice.
यो चाहिँ हेर्नुहोस् कति बुद्धले सुसज्जित प्रकारले बनाएको छ
architectural views are there, you know. See, third church.
Like that is like
That is angel. These are all angels.
angel, huh?
Angel, but only India, Nepal face.
त्यो भित्र भएको चाहिँ थोमाले लेखेको कि विश्वभर लेखेको त्यो
यसको चाहिँ there are some of the books written by Thoma or the fathers or anything.
No, palm. Written by there is palm.
No, then the family.
Palm leaves are there.
Yeah, palm leaves.
Some are kept on the top.
Yeah.
We saw.
Yeah.
We have got 2,600 palm leaves. 2,600 palm leaves we have.
2600 वटा चाहिँ त्यस्तो प्रकारको पत्ताहरू छन्
It is accounts, bishops' orders, and details of the members here, like all these kind of things.
यहाँ विश्वासीहरूको चाहिँ संख्या प्लस विश्वले अभिषेक गर्दाखेरि कसरी गर्ने भन्ने प्रकारको सिस्टमको विषयमा लेखेका कुरा हुन्
So some people giving one land. Okay, this land is for the church. So that is the
जस्तै चाहिँ एउटा जग्गा ल यो चर्चको निम्ति म दिन्छु भन्यो भने त्यसमा चाहिँ यो जग्गा फल्नालाई दिएको भनेर लेख्ने
These are the things are there, and these books are being printed in Rome and etc. in very many 250, 300 years before.
253 र 203 वर्ष अगाडि यहाँ चाहिँ रोममा चाहिँ लेखेका छन् र यसको त्यो प्रतिलिपिको रूपमा
That time there is no printing in India
Yeah.
or in near countries, so this has been printed in Rome, mainly Rome.
नेपालमा र इन्डियामा यहाँ चाहिँ त्यसो प्रिन्ट गर्ने कुनै पनि सुविधा नहुँदाखेरि त्यसलाई प्रिन्ट गर्नको निम्ति अनि रोममा लगेर चाहिँ प्रिन्ट
Rome,
गरिन्छ
Syria, etc. Because this church is, as I told you, it is an AD 52,000 years old church.
Yeah.
यो 2000 वर्षभन्दा अगाडिको चर्च भएको कारणले गर्दा सबै कुरा चाहिँ यहाँ नहुने भएको कारणले उता गएर छाप्ने काम चाहिँ गरिन्थ्यो
So that is the
यो चाहिँ मेरो म्युजिक तेस्रो चर्च भत्केपछि बस्यो अवशेष छ नि
second there, 1259.
Yeah.
The church was, this is the roof of the church.
रूप छाना
छाना।
यो चाहिँ तेस्रो चर्चको चाहिँ छाना हो
You can take
अब
the-
एन्जल स्वर्गदूत हैन
Yeah.
you can zoom this is, and you take the photograph.
एकदम नजिकले खिच्न सकिन्छ जो चाहिँ स्वर्गदूतहरू
थ्यांक यू सो मच So all the books which is inside
Books inside.
that is तल छ
All Syriac books, Some are in Malayalam, Syrian.
Written by.
No, some printed, some written also.
Yeah, there is language is Syrian or
Both. Syriac is there, Malayalam is there.
So who wrote that the books?
We don't know, some forefathers.
Yeah.
100 years before.
No.
This building itself is 600-year-old.
This building.
600-year-old building.
1600 वर्ष पुरानो भवन यो
600-year-old building this is.
600 वर्ष पुरानो But during Thomas times there is no telephones.
Yeah, this is the telephone here.
Yeah.
Because people have been using like clang, 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 and then the sound is coming. And then, hello.
This is during how many years old?
Yeah.
How many years old?
Oh, maybe I don't know, 50, 75-year-old. 50 to 75 years old.
Typewriter is there.
Typewriter. This is from England.
Typewriter.
Oh,
England ल्याएको typewriter.
We kept it for the new generation, new people, you know,
Yeah.
youngsters
Yeah.
who has not seen typewriter like this kind of telephone, etc.
यस्तो खालको टेलिफोन
These are all church
टाइपराइटर
property.
चाहिँ नयाँ पुस्ताले थाहा नहुने भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि देखाउनुको निम्ति चाहिँ यो राखेको
oh, that is a offering.
Frame. This one? This one?
Offering.
This one?
Red.
This microphone?
No. This is
This one? Okay.
Offering back.
Offering.
back.
Two sides are there, and this one is like a back.
Yeah.
So for taking offertory.
Oh, yeah.
For taking offertory, so people will use hand like this goes,
अनि
and people will
त्यो
put
पुच्छर जस्तो
money.
What is that?
What is the tail?
What is this one? This one?
This one?
This one? Well, this one just for the.
Oh, cleaning.
Cleaning.
Okay, ठीक छ.
These are all keeping
Lord Supper?
the Last Supper of God.
यो प्रभुजको निम्ति
Bread, the bread,
पुरानो
keeping
प्रकारको
bread.
प्रभुजको निम्ति चलाउने चाहिँ भाँडो डाक्टर्सको निम्ति यो भयो भने 600 वर्ष भनेपछि त सकिने कुरा
तेस्रो चर्चमा यो तेस्रो चर्चको उयोहरू बिमहरू यो चाइनाबाट ल्याएको अरे यो तेल राख्ने अरे कि अभिषेक तेलहरू राख्ने भाँडा यो सन्त बिसप सुत्दा बिसप पहिला सानो कोठामा मात्रै सुत्थ्यो अरे
These are the bishops. They have
यो
How this serpent keeping?
Bishop? Yeah, these are two serpents. Two snakes.
Yeah.
Why the
Because
What
Jesus
is the
Christ
meaning
was
of?
killed a snake, you know. In Adam and Eve, they were cheated by the one snake. So they were two snakes, and the cross was here. So cross was used for killing these two snakes.
About to revelation.
Oh.
उत्पत्ति अध्यायमा 15 पदको आधारमा चाहिँ त्यो सर्पले चाहिँ छल गर्यो त्यही सर्पले छल गरेको कारणले गर्दा क्रुसले चाहिँ अब दुईटालाई चाहिँ मार्नको निम्ति
यहाँ पनि त्यही छ एजियर अल्सो
Okay?
सेम
The same thing.
सेम
Another, this is another model. There are two snakes, and there is a cross here.
यसलाई अब यो सोध्नु कि हाम्रो यो अब हेमाको पुस्तकबाट अहिलेको पुस्तामा चाहिँ कतिौँ पुस्तक भयो भनेर
हाउ मेनी जेनेरेसन पास फ्रम थोमा टु
नाउ
Here.
स्टिल
It is 1664 or something like that.
Oh.
So we are now AD 54 to 2000 now 24.
अहिले 2054 देखि अहिलेसम्म हेर्दाखेरि लगभग धेरै पुस्तक चाहिँ वारपार भइसकेको छ
So this church is a very big church. It has got a 1,600 families.
यहाँ चाहिँ
600 family.
1600 परिवारहरू यहाँ चाहिँ थियो
And
1000
nearly 7,000 members.
यहाँ 7000 चाहिँ विश्वासी थियो
7,000 members. We have got 2 schools.
यसको ब्रान्चको रूपमा सहायताको रूपमा चाहिँ दुईवटा
2
स्कुल थियो
schools. ITI, that is industrial
अनि
training
त्यसपछि
center.
आइटिआई पनि एउटा ट्रेनिङको सेन्टर थियो
And so much of lands.
अनि धेरै जग्गाहरू छन्
And big cemetery is there.
यहाँ पछाडिपट्टि
Very big
च्यान पनि छ
funeral
ठुलो
cemetery.
च्यान घारी छ
And you can see that there is one well, there is a square well here. You know, because Jews are here. Jews are here. That is why St. Thomas came. Why St. Thomas came to this very village? Because there are Jews was here.
यो किन यहाँ सेन्ट थोमस यहाँ आउनुभयो भने यहाँ चाहिँ युडीहरू थियो यस कारण चाहिँ सेन्ट थोमस यहाँ आउनुभएको
There is no road, nothing. They came by boats.
त्यहाँ बाटोघाटो केही पनि थिएन उनी चाहिँ पानीको त्यो बोटबाट के डुङ्गाबाट चाहिँ आउनुभएको थियो
So 3 kilometers from here, you can find out there is a place called Thomas Kadav. That means a jetty is there.
जेटी मिन्स
Jetty means
ओके
boat and ships are coming. Shipyard.
स्टेसन
यहाँबाट
बन्दरगाह
पर गएपछि अनि त्यो पानी जहाजबाट या
बन्दरगाह
चाहिँ झरेको ठाउँ चाहिँ
There is a place called there.
यो बेला यहुदी कति परिवार थिए कसरी यहुदी थियो अहिले कहाँ गए?
How many families here?
1,600 families only for this church.
No, that means Jewish people.
Jews people? No, nobody.
Before?
Before.
त्यो थाहै छैन त्यति बेला थियो यसकारण आयो तर कतिजना थियो भन्ने कुरा पनि
2000 वर्ष अगाडि
They are all business people.
त्यो सबै व्यापारी मान्छे
They are all business people. So you can take photograph from the church.
रिसेन्ट
For this church itself, as I told you, 1,600 families
1600 परिवारहरू
and 7,000 members.
7000
Members.
रिसेन्ट
This church, yeah?
रिसेन्ट टाइम
Yeah. This only for this church.
यो चर्चको मात्रै 1600 परिवारहरू जम्मा 7000
Under
विश्वासीहरू
this church, there are 5 chapels. That is small churches. Under this church, there are 5 small churches.
यसको छोरी मण्डलले पनि 5 छोरी मण्डलहरू छन्
Everywhere there is a Holy Kurbana on Sunday.
सबै कुराहरू हरेक शनिबार
2 kilometers from here,
कुर्बान
one church, another 2 kilometers, another church, like this.
के चाहिँ छ अरूतिर लाने अरू राष्ट्रमा लाने अरू राष्ट्रमा लाने विचार
Do you have plan to go abroad to establish a new church?
No, because this is under Indian Orthodox Church. So they have got a plan to build churches in Persian countries, American countries, European countries, and everywhere. There is a place. So, but this church is separate.
अर्थोडक्सको
We cannot go outside.
अर्थोडक्स जहाँ हुन्छ एउटा कन्ट्रीमा भएपछि अर्को कन्ट्रीमा अर्कोले हेर्छ
थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच
थ्याङ्क यू ल हामीले यहाँ चाहिँ सेन्ट थोमाको विषयमा
Church in India.
Thank
Very
you.
old church.
This is
Thank you.
all my fathers and deacons are from Nepal. And then we.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Today morning also one batch of people, some 40 people came here. I was
somebody our group they came here
Our
other group. The morning I saw them.
Yeah.
I was attending to them also.
Yes.
thank you father
Thank you.
Thank you very much for the visit.